Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store, and obviously make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required and that you're logged in. You can do it after entering the Play Store or check how to do it in the settings. We've got a full tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner and then go Manage Apps and Device. Here, let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the full list of all updates pending. And if you wish, you can simply tap on Update All, or you can choose specific apps which you'd like to update. So simply tap on Update next to the app. They will be right now at the top of the list, and your device will simply download the updates, and they will be automatically applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.